pick about 2 or 3. So I'm gonna pick 2 this time. Anyways, we got our paper towel. Now we fold them. I think we're gonna like this. Now you wanna put on top. Lay them on top of each other. Now, if you stack the pancakes, they won't look good. So you're going to have to line them up. I'm gonna pick a big pancake, or a big pancake, a medium pancake. Now, let's compare it. Nah, not small. Let's pick a small little one. Okay, big, medium, and small. Now you're going to want to flip them off or flip over the gargoyles. I'm gonna want to put them in at 30 seconds. You decide how much you want to put them in. I want to put them in for 30 seconds. At 30 seconds, in the microwave. Now we wait for it. I know, let's go. Good, good, good. Go! There we go. And there we go. We got ourselves some pancakes. They were hot, but I got no burn.